Thank you for joining in, and I have another unboxing video for today. This one is the Olive in June Fall 2024 box. And up here we have some of their Mani press-on sets, the Instant Mani. There's a few different shimmers here and one with the cheetah print tips. That one has more of like a pearlescent. This one is Sage, the bit of shine there. Most of these were almond shape, but they do come in others. The cheetah ones were more of a coffin shape. As we open up the box here, there is a pamphlet inside, which has all the details and some instructions here. The fall colors, all the new releases. There is also a list of all of the colors, so if you wanted to keep up with what you already have here, there's lots and lots of different ones you could look up if you're interested in buying more. And there's the different poppies up top for your toppers, some of the different boxes, color schemes and finishes. Everything does come wrapped up in very nice and neat in bubble wrap. If anybody was curious, I just took them off to save a little bit of time here. And also we have the nail polish, the penny, which I will show in just a minute here. Pulling out all the fall colors as well. And then there's the top coat. Included in the Mani system set here, you always get your pouch. This is one of the new features, the penny. It has 3 different types of designs. You can interchange the little toppers there, silicone stamper, the dotting tool, and then your little sponge right here. And then the little silicone piece does pop out so you can clean it. They're very easy to put on and take off. I would just be careful with that little sponge when you're pulling it off. You don't want to pull it away from the little plastic piece. That's nice and soft. You can use that for different, like an ombre gradient effect, or it's just some spongy texture with different colors. And then the pointy one is for the dots or florals. Get your details on there. Just little dabbing motions. There is some specific information and little designs here that you can follow if you'd like. If you're looking for more ideas. The silicone piece here is the one I was very interested in. I will say that I did use this, and it does clean up really well. But also it takes a little bit getting used to. It depends on, you don't want to put too much nail polish on the top. And also when you're pressing down, how hard you press is going to depend on how much of that French tip you're going to get on your nail. As you can see, I just did my thumbs in a different demonstration on TikTok. But so yeah, this one I would recommend just practicing with a little bit. And just gently press in. And then you'll get that nice effect. Inside of the nice little pouch here, you have your brush to help you clean up your edges if your nails get a little bit, if you go over on your skin. And then of course your poppy, your clippers, your buffer, a nail file, and the cuticle serum as well. For the cuticle serum, what you do is you just twist the bottom of it and then the product comes out, and then you have the little sponge on top, almost like a concealer. We can think of it as like that. Nice and hydrating, and it has a little bit of a cooling sensation too. I really enjoy the cuticle serum. In this fall set, you have your lavender poppy that goes on top if you'd like to hold on to your brush a little bit better. And I am going to show close-ups of all these colors here in just a second. So we have a nice shimmer here, pearl, and then this one is more of a deep red, garnet glass. This one is like a really, really light bluish tint, self-portrait. And then you have a green. Oh, there's a really light lavender here. This is Sculpture Wing. And the deeper purple here, this is the one I have on my nails. This is Patron of the Arts. And also this shimmer I have on too, Museum Date. And of course you can't forget your top coat. So again, that was Patron of the Arts right here, and the Museum Date was in the middle and a little bit on the tips when I was playing around with the new penny feature. If you're someone who loves to do your nails at home, then you'll definitely enjoy this set for the upcoming fall season. And yeah, I'm going to leave some links in the description. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.